up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing the fuel pump and fuel filter on the Trans Am. So I went ahead and ordered the Quantum fuel pump. It's a drop-in system, 340 LPH. I don't know exactly what that means or what that stands for, but yeah, it's supposed to put out more volume, I guess, more fuel. I'll show y'all what I got. So this is it right here. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go open it. Let's open it up and let's see what all we got in here. Alright, so we got the new connector. It comes with the pump already. Got the new connector. That's good. We're gonna have to wire that one up. Comes with the pump. So the pump already comes, you know, drop in ready. You just gotta take your old one out, put your new one back in. Pretty much already assembled. You just gotta put the little level stuff on there. But yeah, if you guys can see it, I mean, it's already, pump's already in there. See if you can, yeah, kind of hard to see, but yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be doing this, and so I know a lot of y'all are probably gonna be like, why are you gonna do that to your car? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the trap door. We're gonna cut it up. We're gonna cut her up. Just because I don't feel like doing all that other work, and I don't want to pay somebody to do all that other work. You know, because it's pretty much have to take out the exhaust, drop the rear end, and drop the tank, and then for that I would need a lift, and I don't have a lift. So we're gonna go ahead and do the trap door mod, my bad. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I mean, I know a lot of y'all are like, why are you gonna cut up the car? Honestly, I don't plan on ever getting rid of the car, so it's just gonna make my life easier in the future if I ever decide to go with a different fuel pump or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take it apart, disconnect the battery and everything, and start cutting it up. I'll try to do like a little DIY steps of how I did it, and that way y'all can check it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and disconnected the battery on it, and we started already pull the carpet back on this. So as you can see, it's not cut, it's an uncut car. But yeah, so it looks pretty clean in here. I didn't even know I had the jack still in here. Apparently the original jack is still in here. The tires, the spares gone. Got the wires for the system. I mean, I've never had a system in here, but I guess the previous owner, he had it wired up for a system. I just left the wires in there just in case if I ever decide, hey, I want to put a system in it. I already have all the wires and stuff. But yeah, guys, there you go. It's an uncut car. We're gonna go ahead and start setting up all the stuff that we're gonna use to cut. I'm probably gonna end up using the Dremel with the cutting wheel, just because I have it already, and I don't want to use a grinder. But if we have to use a grinder, then we'll end up using the grinder. And from the research that I've done, apparently there's two ways to cut this. Well, on the 98 and 99 model, I believe the pump sits higher or something like that. But since this is a 01, it sits around here in this area, a little lower, closer to the back of the car, which from what I've from what I read, it says you only have to go 2 inches from this edge up, and then you just cut across, and then you cut here, and then you cut here, here. Apparently you have to be careful with this bottom because there's a wire that runs through here, and it's pretty much touching this right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do this cut, these three cuts first, pull it back, see where the wire's at, and then go from there. Either cut the whole door off or just let it hang and then go from there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up all the cutting stuff, and then we'll get back on here and then show y'all the next steps. All right guys, so we got it marked out where we're gonna do the cuts. So remember, it's 2 inches from this edge right here up, measures 2 inches straight across, and then you just go from the edge of this valley to the edge of this valley. So I'm gonna cut on this side here, I'm gonna cut on this side, and on this side I'm gonna cut out here. I'm just using the tape just to have, you know, like straight lines. I don't want to have I don't want to go all crooked and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much how this one is done. And I'll be using the Dremel. I'm gonna use diamond wheel cut. We'll see how that works. If that works, then we'll go with it. If it doesn't, then we'll switch to like a grinder style wheel. But yeah, I'm gonna start cutting it, and then I'll get back on this video whenever we're done cutting it, and I'll explain everything. Alright guys, so I'm looking at this pump. I went ahead and cut it, and if you notice, I cut wrong. Yeah, I was supposed to cut on the outside of the tape when I cut on the inside. Oh well, it looks like there's still enough space there, so there's still enough space to get everything out. But I'm looking at it, and it looks like somebody already replaced this pump, because this is a new style connector, and down in there, oh, yeah, you can kind of see it down in there. You can see where they already spliced the wires and reconnected them. So I guess at one point this pump was already changed out. I mean, I don't know what kind of pump it is, but I'm assuming it's a stock, like a OEM, like a stock pump. But yeah, we already got this far, so we're just gonna go ahead and change it out for the Quantum one. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's too hard to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect everything, and I'll get back on here and show y'all once it's all out. Alright guys, so we got the pump out. Man, this damn thing took me forever. I couldn't get this shit. I was fucking hitting it for like the longest fucking time. But anyway, I got it off, and just letting the pump just drain out. But yeah, so I mean, I don't know, I'm gonna do some more research, see what kind of pump it is. It looks like it's just a stock pump, but it was changed out at some point because it has a new connector style in it. But yeah, so that's what that looks like, and then I'll come back once I put the new one in and show y'all what it looks like or stuff like that. But yep. Alright guys, so the new one's in, new pump's in, it's all connected, everything's connected. I mean, it's pretty much done. I'm just gonna clean up now. That's how it is. I mean, like I told you, I cut like an inch off. You were supposed to go all the way to the valley, but obviously it works. So I mean, if you want to go, you know, because this tape is 1 inch, so if you want to go from the valley 1 inch this way, 1 inch this way, that's fine. And then from this valley that was right here, you just go 2 inches up, and that's where it's at. I mean, it was pretty simple, nothing really hard to it. I mean, next I'm gonna do the fuel filter, but I mean, I think everybody knows how to do that, so I don't think I need to do a step by step or DIY or anything like that. But yeah, that's about it. The next is gonna be like I said, the fuel filter. So this was the pump that we got, Quantum. from Quantum Fuel System. So that's that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to that pump in the description. That way, if y'all want to look into it, y'all can. And then pretty much just got this MicroGuard fuel filter. So we'll go ahead and change that out. I mean, like I said, there's really not much to a fuel filter, so I don't need to do like a step by step. I think everybody knows how to do that. But yeah, there she is. There's the trap door. Like I said, I have a door, but I don't think it's big enough for this because I ordered the wrong one. So for now, I'm just gonna put the piece back on and then speed tape it on there and until we order the right door, and then we'll just do a regular nice door with it. But yeah, remember guys, if your car is the 2000 to 2002, the pump is gonna sit further back. And I believe from I think 98s and 99s, 4th gens, it sits a little higher. So I think the measurements are different. But this is a 01 and this is the measurements for that. So you just go 2 inches up from that valley. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, if you got any questions, just put the comments down. But yeah, I think yeah, we'll see y'all on the next one. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. We need more subscribers, guys. The more subscribers we get, the better. Like I said, at 200 subscribers, we'll go ahead and do another giveaway. But yeah, in case y'all didn't know, I have the power steering mod, the one that has the reservoir up here. So this one, with the Corvette style pump on it, which is a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. I like it better. I like it that way. And then a lot of people don't like this mod because they say that, you know, this extra hose gets in the way, this reservoir gets in the way when you want to do spark plugs. But I mean, honestly, all you have to do is just pull this up. It literally just pulls up and you can move it out of the way. It's really not much to it. But yeah, guys, we'll go ahead and see you on the next one. Remember, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and any questions that y'all have, just go ahead and put them in the comments, and then we'll see y'all later.